Received by Jerome. Leo sets it to the iron. Let's set it out. Oh, maninerno na naman si Ahmed. To Gerald!
Dumating na si ano boy.
Si Elsa, balik na si
Oo,
Nene.
nakabaka yun.
Dumating na pala siya.
Ay, si Captain yun.
Tayo.
May chance na siya. Lari na ka-marriage ko.
The dogs on the loose.
Doon tayo nila.
Someone back the dogs. Unlucky, like it was unlucky. It's okay, Megatron. There's another year. Gerald, the flag hits the bottom. Boys, now 7-9. Malamo, boom. Sa peak. Nice serve by Arian. Received by Nene to the back. Arian. Sadly, take your lead. Next. Hit by Nene. Net touch on the first one. Subjected. Nice by next. Arian to Leo. Really? Power naman si Net. Net touch. Ay, one out. Outside. Okay, sorry. Outside. Outside only. We are now in 6 minutes or 5 minutes? 6 minutes left. Vincent with a nice follow. Sinumbukan ni Harold. Nice serve, nice serve. Grabe si Carlo. Binigyan na ng malaking yellow in the left, pero pinalo lang niya sa left. I gave you everything I had, sabi niya. Another nice set to them. Saved by Leo. Saved by Ryan. Isa pa daw. His name is Vincent Barca. He plays middle. Ano ka na lang? Grabe si Vincent kung sa kapangit eh. Nasa arch yung back niya eh. Saved by Vincent! Next to the power on the left. Asa to the right. Back by Vincent. Arian, the goal is only keeping it quiet. Thank you.
Oh,
Let's begin the game.
may match yan. Sila lang tumalang
Nice serve by Tata, safety line, Sugiro. Sugiro. Next, Ugino, safety on it. Put it up. Ayan, Tahalo. Tahalo, second. Number one. Gino, hit it home.
deadman daw.
Yung gipit ko sila.
Mamaya,
ulo pa yan dyan.
Ikot pa. Doon kayo ulit ko?
Vincent, numbers tayo.
Nandun na si Ian, si Lloyd eh. Ay, si Milo.
Nice turn.
Ah. Lagi yung isang.
Ay, dahan-dahan lang mamaya.
Wala lang, American.
We are on 30 now, 1 minute 43 seconds remaining. Abang ko ng set 3. Next to Gino, all right, ball line. We are now at 14-13. Kailangan itong complete. No, everything. Neil, Arya. A bit of a mistake on that set. Let's to Nene, Papano. Journey. Captain. Next again. Bang! Miscalculated the hand of that ball. 21 all. We got the goal to Next. Keep down. Keep going. Hit by Hill. Hit by Hill. Hit by Pasa. Next to Nadia. One more point to seal the deal. Gerald the third. Aya. Tata. Save Tata. Well, the play this time, Aya. With a chair.
Ha? Top tip talaga, set 3.
Nagpamayo sa dalawang ano na eh. Tawag na yun. Dalawang...
Lindon, dito ba tayo? Dito tayo? Dito tayo? Oo.
Again, now we set 3. Just to let you know, it's 10 minutes. Most points within 10 minutes. Okay. Just to remind everyone that the inside.
Yung bilas oh, mga bata yan, mga anak-anak yan ng mga...
Taga dito lahat yan. Wala silang lukot.
Wala.
Ito mga to. North yan.
Ayos yan. Ito. Malakas kayo ah. Laki na pala yun. Oo. Tingnan na mukha ni Ivan eh. Bata pa. Hindi na, mama na eh. Saan siya naglalaro dito? Ano siya eh, kasi nag-uni sa Leicester din siya naglalaro. May team din. May team din. Meron din team din. Leicester Riders. Yan, yung naglalaro sa Pinoy. Meron din. Malakas kayo ah. Kaya lang. Oo.
And now 10 minutes for the game.
Sige ka. Ah, sige.
Two timeouts for team, but no more timeouts from the last 2 minutes. Rams, are you ready? Kumiti, are you ready?
Bata pa yun.
Audience, are you ready?
Naiiwan sa isikin. Oo, tsaka.
Kasabaan niya.
Huwag nila dito.
Medyo exciting now.
Oo, saan pa mga halo?
Wala kami nito.
Wala ba? Doon daw tayo. Sabi din. Oo.
It's okay.
Oh.
Next, 3-0. Opening for the Alphas. Received by Harold. To Thompson Field. Setting to Lennon. A bit high. Point.
Mahalo mo talaga sila. Maruduan mo talaga.
You are now the lead. 1 point only. That's over now. We only have 10 seconds of timeout. Yet an ending story. Boss, you used to be with the silence, now you migrated to the alpha. You got little hand. Right, in place one time, next. We are now at high three. We have a big middle for the booth. It's next one. And then let's talk it this time. Nice serve by Victor. Sets the tackle. Victor Small. Good by Victor. Hitting the beam. Score is now 10-8-3. That's the last timeout for Boom. Alpha still has 2 timeouts. First score. Megan, keeping alive. Zero. Let's go. 4 points to Naka. Unlucky negative one. It's still 2 points for the team. Negative one still wants to play. Next down. It's okay, 9 for the round. We skipped third for this. We've got to realize this game is Gen X versus Millennials. Sigaw-sigaw ang mga over 40s. Ayan. Nice to see by John. We're now 13-5. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Nice serve by Millennial Myra. Oh, nice. That's it. Thank you for your honesty. Admission of mistakes in the first set. Joshua Stanley with a nice serve. Next to Gino. You should have transformed that one. Yeah, stay in the middle. Yeah, iron and engine. Gino inside. Nice, that's cool. Calculated the space. One minute 35 seconds remaining. It's now 56. It's a lot of time to happen. Received by Jerome. Leading things back. Next to Ned. Harold serving. Nice serve. Next Pippin. They anticipated that serve from my way. It's out. Very unnecessary kicking out again. Gerald serving, Liu receiving. Captain Liu! He's now over. Keeping alive, Liu brings out, Pippin. 10, 8, 5, yes! No mercy.